Hi Nisu. Good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, warm good afternoon. I'm very fine. I can say I'm fine. So how about you, ma'am?
I'm also doing well. Thank you so much for asking too. So, how is going on your day so far?
So far so good. It was quite packed morning. I can say it was quite busy because I was just busy in my some domestic chores. As you said that we have fixed this meeting, so I wrapped all my work very quickly before time so that I can attend this session. Otherwise, I could have completed my work around 1:30 clock. So now, like, I was eagerly waiting for your call. So that's why now I'm feeling really very happy.
It's my honor.
It's okay.
Hey, you are seems like a very happiest person. What is the reason?
I don't know. I feel happy all the time. Maybe when I connect with people, whenever I do something, I don't know. But I'm trying to be happy every time. I don't want to miss any single moment which can share my happiness. So I'm a very careless, like carefree person. I enjoy. Right. Though I'm a jobless, I'm not doing any job. I want to do a job. I'm not getting, but still I'm happy because your happiness does not depends on your anything, right? It depends on your
Obviously.
attitude. So yeah,
Hmm.
it
If you
makes
are
me
satisfied with your life, then it gives you happiness, right? So always we should be satisfied with ourselves. So I could see the positivity on your face. So obviously we will discuss about it later. First of all, let's start our introduction to know each other, right? I love to know about you.
thank you so much for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. As you
My
know, my
pleasure.
name is Nishu Gupta, and I was born in UP but brought up here in Punjab. Right. If I talk about my qualification, I'm a graduated in English literature. Moreover, I also appeared my IELTS exam. In IELTS, I got overall 6 bands. And in my free time, generally, I engage myself talking with many people so that I can learn this language, I can brush up this communication skill. And sometimes I also love dance. Something like sometimes I feel bored, then I prefer to dance. It is my hobby, I can say. Right, it is my beautiful hobby which helps
Yeah.
me to rejuvenate when I feel depressed or I don't have anything to do. So then I do dance. So yeah, thanks for asking, and this is my short introduction.
Very glad to hear about you, Nisu. I wanted to connect with you. Once I watched your video on YouTube with the YouTubers, another YouTuber. So since then, I have been trying to, connect with you. So I was not, finding your name where I was wondering where I will get to, connect to you. So finally, I stumble upon, I think, on Skype application where you have posted, shared your link, videos link. So that's how I got to know about you and I could connect to you. So I'm feeling very thrilled. So, okay, my name is Susmita, belong to Assam, currently based in UP, holding Master and PGDCA. I'm a married person, mother of one kid, and simultaneously I run YouTube channel by the name of Global English Quest about my core of interest. I like to talk to people and cooking, reading, and playing badminton. Yeah, that's sort about me. Thank you.
That's lovely introduction. Glad to know that you love cooking, right?
Yes,
So,
I love cooking and I like to serve to people delicious foods and just I love to see the happiness on their face after having food and asking the feedback. So that is my hobby, big hobby, I must say.
okay, that's really nice because
Yeah.
generally women they do not like cooking. They consider is as a compulsion. But you are the first lady who is saying that yeah, I love
Okay.
cooking. Many girls, even I also find it compulsion sometimes. I don't take interest in it, but it is my compulsion to cook food. But yeah, obviously, if you are liking, that's a great. Okay, so do you prepare international or just national dishes?
I just prepare national dishes. I don't want to, go with the Chinese dishes at home because it's unhealthy, and I don't want to, feed my family members unhealthy food. I always prefer to healthy food to feed them because my son is quite young, around 4 years. So I
Hmm.
just want to make, healthy food and make them happy. So yes,
That's great, ma'am. Obviously, we should be worried about our like children health, right?
actually,
So we
yes.
aware what we are serving them is
Mm.
helpful for their health, is can helpful their mental and physical, because sometimes our food also impact on our body. So it is important. Okay, so as you said, like you are a YouTuber, I am curious to know your YouTube journey. When did you start and why did you choose this niche?
Okay. If I talk about my English learning journey, that's I was very enthusiastic to learn this language, but I was not getting any environment when I started. I was not aware about the YouTubers, they upload video on YouTube, but still I started to learn this language because I wanted to do something through this language, right? So I have started, and after that, I got to know there are lots of YouTubers. They are recording their videos, conversation videos, and they are uploading. So that's how I stumbled upon one YouTuber. So I connected with her, and she joined me on Skype application. Since then, it's going on my journey so far so good. If I talk about my YouTube journey, then I have started my YouTube out of the blue. It was not planning to start, YouTube journey. I was not expecting myself to have session with people like this and upload on YouTube. So it's really, out of the blue. I must say, I was not expecting that much. So one day, what happened? I was in a group, so there were lots of YouTubers. I think I was the one person who were not YouTuber there, who was not YouTuber. So people started to call me that you also create your YouTube channel because this is the YouTubers group. So you are the not YouTuber, so must you should create. So that's how I had to create my YouTube channel. Then I started to upload video on my channel. So that's how it was going on well. But I was not that much consistent initially. I was on and off on my YouTube channel. So yeah, that's how it's going on. And once my channel monetized, so now I'm thinking to, be active on my YouTube channel. So yeah, that is a pretty much YouTube journey about me. What
That's
about
really,
you? When did you start?
I think it has been 1.5 months ever since I have
Okay.
YouTube channel, but it was my planning, right? I decided to open my own YouTube channel in 2022, but that time I don't know how to create, how to upload video, what to upload even. I didn't have a content, so what should I upload on this channel? And last year I was just watching some conversational video with the people, and I also showed interest that how I can make such videos. And that time I was watching one video and I gave a comment on someone's video. Then he said, ma'am, you could download Skype application where you can connect to many people and you can record your video, then you can upload on YouTube. I said okay. So I downloaded, I asked from many people how to navigate. I don't know how to navigate this Skype application. Then I watched couple of videos on YouTube. Somehow I learned how to do editing. Then I started uploading on YouTube. So, but I never like realized that yeah, I would connect with many people. I am connecting, right? I am very happy. I'm thrilled because people they say that ma'am your English is good, right? And I'm feeling very happy. Yes, if people are saying, then I should continue this work, no matter whether my subscribers are increasing or not. But if people they are learning from my videos, then it is a matter of joy.
Mm,
Yes, that
obviously, obviously. That is the good thing, on the pretext of uploading video on YouTube, you are learning, you are improving yourself too, right? We should not
yes,
think about, much about subscriber or views, but we are getting something benefit from talking to people. it's more than this, right? More than subscribers, more than viewers. Obviously, if you have skill about any particular area, then definitely the this skill will give you variety of opportunity in future. So definitely we should carry on it. We should not think about much views or subscribers, right? We are getting opportunity to have session with people. That is the best place for us, right?
Yeah, that,
So
because
you are, yeah, yeah. Please carry
yeah,
on. Sorry for
you
interrupt.
were about to say something, but I interrupted you. Please, I
No, no,
would
no.
you say first.
Okay. So just I was asking to you. You are already good at English. So how did you learn before talking to people? You said that you had started initially, right? You have started to connect with people recently. So how were you learning before that?
To be honest, before Skype application, I had 2 to 3 groups, right? And
Okay.
on my work, where I was part of Central English group and another one is girls group together. So they found me around 2020, 20, maybe 22. Yeah, and that time I was not good at this language. Then I thought it's a best opportunity. If I be a part of this group, there are so many people who are good at this language. So
Mhm.
I could learn something from them, right? So I joined. So since 2020, 22, I have been practicing in that group on an audio call. I never talked on video call with anybody, right? Though there were so many people who were like making video session or Zoom meeting, but I didn't have interest in like joining their Zoom session. I thought it's just a waste of time to talking with in a group, right? Because sometimes you wait for your turn, or some people they are just arguing to each other. So I thought it's not a good. I think I should talk on a like video call face to face
Okay.
with one person. It could be more beneficial for me. Then I asked people are like if you have an interest you can talk to me on a video call, right? And some of them were my like friends, I can say, in a group, right? They were very nice people and they talked with me on video call, and I used to teach them as well. And they used to teach me as well where I used to make grammatical mistakes or where I need to improve. So they told me everything, right? In this way I practiced. But before that joining a group, I was just watching some videos like writing essays or making some like stories in my mind. So in this way I started my journey in this language, right? I joined institute as well, but in institute they taught me just theoretically, right? They never forced us to speak in front of this other students, right? If you are performing good, it's okay. They are not worried. They're worried about just taking money, right? Their most concern was to finish like yeah, in 1 month they have to finish grammar, right? Like tenses, past tense, present tense and future tense. They taught us in 1 month, and I was
Okay.
feeling 1 month they taught me like tenses. And can
Mhm.
I 6 to 7 months I need to join their classes and waste my huge money? So it's better to switch their classes and start learning from YouTube. Then I started learning from YouTube. So it was like long journey, I can say, because I started my journey in 2020 lockdown period. But I was not consistent, I was not serious. I was just learning when I had a time, right? I didn't give priority this language, but nowadays I am giving priority. Now it has become most essential activity of my everyday life. At least I have to talk with people.
Obviously, now you got a purpose of life, right? Now
Yes.
this language you stumble upon and you start to feel enjoy to have session with people and you see the future through this language.
So what are you doing nowadays? Are you teaching?
No, 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 not I'm not teaching, but many people are approaching me due to the time constraint. I am not able to, continue the classes. So I taught. few people for a few days, not continuously, because they started to ask, their suitable time, and I'm not able to manage every time. Being a homemaker and being a small kid mother, it's not possible, and I need to focus on myself because I'm also a learner. So that's how
Oh,
I quit. I left, and I'm thinking, let's see what happens in future. Definitely, I will go with that as well. But first thing is that I need to improve myself, right? First, deserve and desire. So that's why I'm focusing on myself.
I have a one doubt. Like, when did you start your YouTube journey, and how much time did it take to monetize your channel?
Uh, I have been working on my YouTube channel. It's 9 months, I think. For 9 months, I have been working. So after 5 months, my channel got monetized. It's 9 months. My channel got monetized. It's been 4 months. It's happened. It's completed.
Okay, so with how many subscribers did your channel get monetized?
When my channel got monetized,
Yes, ma'am.
that time I think around 1200 or 1300. I'm not that much sure about it, but depend on that you have to complete your 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch hour, so it's
Yes.
required. Yes,
Hmm.
when you will complete then you can apply.
You have 20K subscriber, but their watch time is not some like around 4,000. That's why their channel is not monetized.
Okay, whose channel is it?
I don't know. Many people say na like
Okay,
they're not able to monetize their channel. They have a subscribers, but their watch time is not covered. I don't
okay,
know,
it
but
could
yeah,
be happen. Yeah, if you cross 1 year, then your watch time started to reduce. It's YouTube only count your 1 year watch time hours. So that
oh,
could be reason. And another people, what they do, they upload short video mostly to get subscribers. So that is also another reason to not increase their, views duration or, hours duration.
means I upload so many short videos.
Short
I
videos.
upload so many short videos because I don't have enough time to upload lengthy videos due to some network problem in my area, and
Okay.
that's why I prefer to upload short videos because they can easily upload it, right? But
Mhm.
your could be not beneficial, then I will reduce it to upload short videos. So, ma'am, I don't
No,
have
you can
like
upload short. You can upload short too, but you can carry on long too because it will give you the watch hour. It's benefit for your channel. Okay, please go on. What were you asking? Please.
yeah, I was asking. I don't have much knowledge about the YouTube, like first payment. How much YouTube provide you when your channel got monetized?
It's when you completed your $100, so then only you can withdraw or you can transfer on your account. I must say I don't have that much idea because I haven't completed $100 so far. So yes, I whatever I have heard, $100 when be completed on your channel, then you can transfer and the
Okay. So
dollar to rupees. Yeah.
are you getting some money from YouTube?
Yeah, it's I'm not receiving first. First payment I haven't received so far, but it's happening when $100 will complete. Then only I will able to take out money from my account. So,
Okay. You know,
thank you, Nisu. Thank you so much for having here. It
yeah,
was
ma'am,
really amazing session.
to have a connection, to interact with you. It was such a really mind-blowing session with you. And
Thank
I'm
you.
looking
Thank you so
forward
much.
to have
I'm
more
also
sessions.
feeling thrilled.
Bye bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Take
Have a
care of
nice day
yourself.
to you. Thank you. Same to you.
Bye.
Bye.